first day or the first time for Akko and Akma. We came here to commitment something. The commitment like this morning, Mr. Majun, okay, and Mr. Abid, we talk about direction, our business in next year and next 5 years and in the future. Our business cannot succeed, cannot complete without your team, without our team in this group. You are new generation. Today we have 3 objectives. The first, we would like to everyone know about direction, about business. Most of you here very lucky. You join with our company CPF Philippines because we have the vision, kitchen of the world. We have the mission in Philippines, kitchen of the Philippines. Our business produce food, not produce car. If we don't have car, our life will survive, right?
Yeah, yes.
If we don't have food, how we survive, right? I think I told with many times in my team, especially in HR, oh, you are lucky to work here, to develop the people. I believe the people. I believe most of everyone to enjoy tonight. Now, Mr. Adun and Mr. Majun, in this business unit here, will provide you many things. For example, many food, many we have life band, we have many things. I would like to enjoy tonight. Thank you so much.
So many words we have seen, selling back to me. I said that you don't want me, and you make me better. I said that you don't want me, and you make me better, better, better. Somebody Kung wala kayo, bongga lang kami. Kung wala kayo, meron kaming macho. Kung wala kayo, bongga lang kami. Kung wala kayo, meron kaming sexy. Di madalas sa parang-parang, di madalas sa kulang-kulang, di madalas sa magic-magic. Pam-pam-pam-pam, team mo to. One team, one goal. Cheer siya. Sabi ninyong team, pero cheer siya. Cheer siya. Sabi ninyong team, pero cheer siya. Apat sa apat sa, 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 Guys, who are we? We are the Slime Warriors!
Are you ready, team? We are the Aqua Team. We will beat you.
sunsets in your eyes, brown and gray and blue besides. Clouds are stuck in islands.
Okay, freeze na tayo. Group 1, sino mag-explain? Sino mag-explain ng ginawa ninyo? Anyone? Sorry, ito pala. Dyslexic na yata ako. Okay, group 1, sino mag-explain? Okay, sige.
Left side, Mama, left side. Good. Left side.
Good morning, everyone. So we are from Team Aqua. So core values is very important in an organization. It's because that will serve as a backbone for every organization, and at the same time, that would be our guiding principle to set our goals and achieve our target. Great, thank you.
For us as an employee is core value is important because it is to determine what is right and what is wrong, and also it gives a good relationship within employees and also to the group as well.
Is to be the leading agriculture and food industry in the Philippines. Agree? Nandiyan na ba tayo? Kayo na ba yung leading agriculture and food industry in the Philippines? Nandun na?
Yes!
Papunta pa lang? Pero almost there. Pero ready. No? And your mission is to be the best producer of aquatic feeds, aquatic healthcare products, and shrimp fry and fish fry, and to emphasize on probiotic farming. Three, two, one, taas, go! Right. May nag-X dito. Okay, so, one, up! Right, biglang may nag-X. Bigyan nyo na tigwa 1,000 tong nag-X.
Remember that in a company we have different departments. So we have the production team, the soil and engineering, aqua, and then the accounting and feed mill. So sometimes sales, you want friendship, you want power for each other, and that's one company.
Open relationship.
Marami tayong natutunan, especially sa pag-strategize ng ating bawat grupo para sa goal ng game na win as much as we can. So the very first talaga na situation is may iba-ibang group, 4 na groups. So it represents also sa company that
this game. It never happened. Na first round pa lang, may magre-reach out na dapat. Okay? It never really happened. So hindi nyo dapat sisihin na sila.
to solemnly swear to abide by the rules and regulations set by CPF organizers of this team building event. As a participant, I promise that I will stay fair and square. I promise to be safe and abide by the 4 values of the house.
Tagok na ganyan mo buwan. GB, sukal. Sukal mo. In gamay be.
At yun doon natapos ang araw.
Tignan ang ayos sa manok. Tignan natin. Guys, tignan. Tignan tayo dito. Recite your name and then numbers 1 and 2. Okay? So,